How to fix Chrome not opening. First thing, go down here into the search on your Windows and search for Chrome like this. Click on your right mouse, click on open file location, and now click here again on your right mouse and open file location. It will take you to the Chrome files. Click here on your right mouse on Chrome and choose properties, and here make sure to disable this option and this option. Go to compatibility, enable this option and click on run compatibility troubleshooter. Click apply and OK. After that, click on Chrome and it must be working. If it's not working, then you may have to restart your PC. And if it's still not working, then remove Chrome and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.